There's supposed to be a car meet here at 1. There's only like 2 guys over there, and I'm over here because it looks pretty weird over there. There's another Altima, so maybe I'll just go park over there and start the meet. It's like I joined a group page, Arizona Car Meets, and so I can find out where the car meets are at. So I'm trying to find out where all the car meets are at around here. There's one right now, but it's dead with 2 cars. So I'm debating whether or not to go over there. See some fire over there. Woo! Let's hope everyone's alright. So we might have actually found the car meet, and hopefully this is the one. We're gonna head over to it right now. Hopefully there's actually a car meet. I went to one, but there was only 1 car. What the fuck? Let's go.
Pavilions?
Yeah, Pavilians Car Meet. Let's see how that goes. You know, it'd be cool if I had a GPS right there, like a fucking, like an Audi. That'd be sick.
Probably cops, but I wouldn't have done that. You don't have the.
Yes, it's a 4-way.
They didn't have a stop sign.
Yes, they did.
No, they did not, Irving.
It's right there.
I literally.
Want to bet?
Yeah.
How much you want to bet?
$20 fucking.
20?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go back.
Those Mini Coopers.
Oh, they're cute.
Right here. That's nice. I don't like the way they did the upholstery on it. The logo. It's crazy, huh?
Look at the seats in the back, how they're like.
Yeah. Oh fuck. This is nice as fuck. Footage of the car meet. I'm gonna stop recording so I can get something to eat. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy and subscribe.